Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an absolute gem for those chilly winter drives. The SriGM Car Seat Cushion Comfortable Seat Cover for Cars, Trucks, SUV, Van.
Now, let me tell you why this is the best seat cover for heated seats available right now.
With its innovative design and top-notch features, this seat cushion takes comfort to a whole new level.
First off, let's talk about warmth.
In the biting cold of winter, this seat cushion provides unparalleled comfort, ensuring you stay cozy and warm even on the longest drives. Installation is a breeze with its elastic straps and anti-slip silicone bottom.
Say goodbye to constantly readjusting your seat cover. This one stays firmly in place,
giving you peace of mind while you focus on the road ahead.
And hey, if you're looking for the perfect gift for your loved ones, look no further. Whether it's for your parents, friends, or even your favorite teacher,
this seat cushion is guaranteed to bring a smile to their face. Imagine the joy on their faces when they experience the warmth
and comfort this seat cushion provides, making every journey a delightful experience.
Worried about cleaning? Don't be. This seat cover is easy to clean with just a simple wipe down, ensuring it looks as good as new every time. Plus, with its durable construction, you can rest assured that this seat cushion will stand the test of time, providing you with countless hours of comfort and warmth.
So, if you're ready to upgrade your driving experience and stay cozy all winter long, look no further than the SriGM Car Seat Cushion Comfortable Seat Cover for Cars, Trucks, SUV, Van. Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.
Until next time, happy driving.